Okay, so hi people. Today I'm in a hotel. And I need to talk like a little bit quieter because my parents don't want me to do anything. So I'm just going to show you this really bad glitch. So every time I go somewhere, this pops up. I mean,
Sup?
Like, every single time I go somewhere. See, I'm gonna go Coral Canyons.
It's hilarious.
Well, it didn't work this time, so.
Like wherever he goes, he gets like whatever they call it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Wolffeycat's den and back again.
That's where I am.
I'm gonna go to Wcotmoo's den.
How the heck do you say his?
See? It's crazy. I mean, like, I've got it so many times.
Happening?
I have no idea. Okay. So now I'm gonna go back to Wolffeycat. Let's see if it does it. Okay. Here we go. It's really annoying. Now I'm gonna go back to my den. Again. Now I'm gonna go to Jama, and then I'll go, and then this video is gonna be over. We'll just go to Didn't do it this time. Didn't do it. So let's go to my den. Didn't do it. I'll just go to. So thanks for watching this video of this crazy, weird glitch. Here it goes again. And bye. My computer's lagging. There we go.